Hi guys, it's Melanie and welcome to today's video. I'm currently at home in Washington and we are about to pack up and head on a little road trip to the coast of Washington, and I'm bringing you guys with me, so let's get going. Made it to our little beach house that we're staying at for the next couple of days. So we're gonna check out all of the rooms. It's so cute and themed in here, and like the whole town, I kept saying it feels like Gilmore Girls but coastal. It's like a perfect little town. Bit, and Alex and I are gonna go walk and explore the area. I don't even know if I mentioned this, but we're in Seabrook, Washington. It's like 3 hours from the city, and it's such a cute little coastal town. It's very new, so we saw a bit of the town driving in, and we're gonna go walk around. We made it just in time to see the sunset, and it did not disappoint. Alex and I got back from our walk a little while ago, and it was so pretty out. It was kind of unreal how far out the tide was. You could just walk so far out into the water, and it was so reflective that it looked really cool. But we came back, we ate some dinner. Right now we're going to prep some food for tomorrow's dinner, but other than that, kind of just getting settled, and I want to start my next knitting project. I brought this very soft fluffy yarn. I'm already working on this one scarf. I'm going to make another one. The only thing that I want to do differently is my other scarf is like curling at the edges, so I want to learn how to make what it's called, a nice knit edge, so that hopefully I'll be able to wear it more. But hopefully I will be able to start that tonight. As I film this, it is January 18th, and the TikTok ban literally just happened. I think I'm still really in shock. Like, I did not think it was actually going to happen. I think I'm either in denial or I just like really strongly believe slash, I don't know. It'll be interesting because by the time I, you know, edit this and stuff, maybe things will have changed and it'll be funny to look back. I just feel like it's gonna be brought back, or like this ban is like temporary. I don't know. I just like can't wrap my mind around it. I just washed up. I am going to start knitting my little scarf. Let me show you what I'm working. Oh my gosh. See, it was saved on TikTok. I want to see if I can find a picture on Pinterest. Oh wait, no, this is the one. been a little while since I've done a knitting video. I feel like I've improved a lot since my last one. In that time, I've learned how to knit continentally. I genuinely don't know what I was doing before or like why it took me so long to actually figure it out, because I would see videos of people doing it and I would be like, dang, they knit way faster than I could ever dream of, and I knew they were doing it different than me. I don't even know how I learned how to knit, to be honest. It was life-changing. It also just like feels way better, and I don't know, it's just amazing. While I was eating dinner, I was thinking about how it would be so fun if I was reading a book that like matched the vibe of this trip a little bit better. Right now I'm reading Once Upon a Broken Heart and I am liking it. Okay, I'm liking it, but I will say I'm not like super hooked, which I'm kind of surprised because I feel like people love the series a lot and I do like it. Maybe I'm just not fully in a fantasy mood right now. I really wanted to read like kind of a beachy, warm, fuzzy little like romance book, and so I think I'm going to download a different book on my Kindle. The other thing though that I just realized or just found out is that the third book of the Fourth Wing series is coming out in a matter of days. I don't know how I was so behind on that, but I'm really excited for that. I just get so chatty when I'm like knitting, and I'm so used to filming these like videos where I'm talking to you guys while I'm crafting. I have been getting some comments recently about people missing more of my personal or like lifestyle videos, which honestly I appreciate it a lot. To be completely honest with you, I felt like I just didn't know exactly like what to post about myself or my personal life. Like sometimes I just feel very boring. I thought this would be such a fun opportunity to film this time and just like cherish it with my family too. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity for that, and I do want to and hope to do more like simply lifestyle stuff. As much as I love my crafting and I will continue to do crafting videos, I do want to mix in more of the fun lifestyle stuff and vlogs that I used to do. This is my outfit for today. This top is from TNA, but I thrifted it. This shirt is Target or Universal Threads, but I also thrifted this. Surprise, surprise. My pants are also thrifted. A full thrifted outfit for you guys. I think I'm gonna wear some Doc Martens for the shoes, and then I just have my super puff that I've been wearing because it's really cold here. It is our first full day here. We're only here for 2 full days, and I think it's just gonna be a very casual, relaxing trip. So I feel like what I typically like to do, or what my family likes to do on any kind of vacation, is kind of use the first morning as a time to like explore the area. Although we did walk around the beach last night, there is a cute little town really close nearby, or it's kind of central to all of the rental properties here. So I think we're gonna check that out. We're gonna get coffee there, which is what I'm the most excited for. We're gonna go downstairs, eat a little breakfast, hang out a bit, and then I'll see you guys once we go check out the town. So I was going to download a book on my Kindle, but now that we're at a bookshop, we just got back from a little walk exploring the town. It was so cute. I especially loved walking around the bookshop, and it gave me some inspiration because right now I'm deciding what book to get for my Kindle. The books I was choosing between were The Paradise Problem, a novel love story. And so many people have recommended The 7-Year Slip, and I want to read it, but I already have the physical book at my apartment, so I don't want to get it on my Kindle. I just want to like read the book when I get back. And then I was thinking about reading, I think it was called The Swan Song. I don't know, I was just looking looking for kind of like coastal, kind of small town vibe book. I also forgot if I told you guys this. I don't think I did, but the town we're in, Seabrook, is based on a town called Seaside in Florida. I think this is correct, but that's the town the Truman Show is based on. So if that gives any grasp of what this looks like, aside from the little clips I've been showing you guys, we were trying to like put our finger on it as we were walking around, but we just kept saying like, it literally feels like we're in a movie set, like, or like we're walking around Universal Studios or something like that. All right, I decided on reading A Novel Love Story by Ashley Poston, and I am so excited to just cozy up and read it right now. I am in the sweetest sunspot. I think I've shown this area a couple times, but this is by far my favorite section of this house. It's this little sunroom. It makes me want a sunroom so badly because like the curtains, the little view, it's so warm and cozy out here. I was able to actually get a little bit of knitting done last night. I'm pretty happy with this. I just learned how to do this little like eyelet pattern from a pattern that I bought, but the pattern was way too difficult. So now I'm just doing like a makeshift self-interpreted version of that pattern that's much more simplified for me to practice. So I'm working on this, and I just want it to be a very dainty, tiny, like short scarf. I learned how to do this little edge stitch, which makes it look a lot neater, but I'm just gonna cozy up out here and knit for a little while. Let's play some music. Also guys, TikTok is back. That was the weirdest, like it wasn't even for 12 hours, I don't think. So weird. Oops. Listen to the apple. Currently on our third walk of the day. Look at this view right now, it's so pretty. Parents are both wearing their Russell shirts. It's a video. We just got back and we're starting on dinner tonight. Alex and I are cooking. So Alex is working on a tri-tip and I am on veggie duty. So I'm making some smashed potatoes and then I'm gonna do roasted Brussels sprouts. Alex is also on potato duty as well. Oh, you look like you know what you're doing. Those look pretty good. I just got ready for bed and I'm really excited because I'm gonna snuggle up and read a little bit more of my book. I didn't get to read very much today, but we honestly just went on so many walks. I don't know what it is, but I'm like way more active when I'm with my parents. It's probably because we have Russell, my dog, and so we're like walking him and going outside. But guys, it's embarrassing when you look at my health app and you see the difference between days like I'm around my parents and the days when I'm home alone. Sometimes it's really bad. It's been really nice. I got so many steps in today, which was lovely, and not only a lot of walks, but it was just so beautiful everywhere around us, and it genuinely feels like I am in a book. So that's been awesome, but I'm just gonna read a little bit, relax for the rest of the night. Hello guys, it's the next morning. We just ate breakfast and we're gonna go on a little walk to the coffee shop. I actually did try to make coffee here, but I failed miserably at it because I don't know why. It just didn't work. We're gonna go to the coffee shop, but I'm actually super excited because their coffee was really good. We got our morning coffee. Alex got a quad shot. And then my dad ordered us to go buy a sweet treat for tonight because he's the ultimate sweet tooth, hence where I get my sweet tooth from. The beach is super empty right now. It's actually like really warm considering that it's mid-January, but we got so lucky with the weather. So beautiful and very, very empty, as you can see. I'm calling it already, but I think this cloudy sky calls for a pretty sunset tonight. We got back from our walk a little while ago and stopped and ate lunch at the house, and now we're gonna go check out the pickleball courts because it's actually pretty nice and sunny out. So we're gonna go play pickleball for a little bit and see if I can beat my dad because I never beat him. It is like 6 p.m. right now. It feels so much later, but I think since the last time I updated you guys, we went to play pickleball with my dad, and then we ended up checking out their gym here. They also had like a hot tub and a sauna, so we were kind of just like looking around. They had a bocce ball court on the way back, so we played for a little bit, which is actually really fun. I don't think I've ever played before. And then once we got back to the house, we have a hot tub here, so we were just in the hot tub for a little bit, and now I'm clearly all washed up. And I don't know if I even mentioned this, but this was our last full day here. Tomorrow we're gonna be packing back up and driving back home. I think the only other things we really have planned are sorry, my dog is like crying because he misses my parents, I guess, and they're in the other room. He's really dramatic, but my mom and I are gonna do our nails tonight. I'm actually really excited for this because I brought my mini gel nail kit and I got like cateye magnetic gel. So I'm gonna be trying that out here and I'm super excited to try that. Alex and I have been watching Squid Game when we're here and we're hoping to finish that tonight too. We're probably just gonna cook dinner and hang out for our last night here, and tomorrow we pack up kind of early in the morning. I'm gonna get coffee on the way out because I really like the coffee shop here. It was like so cheap and so good. I have my little nail set up with my mini gel nail kit, and this is the cat eye nail polish that I'm going to be trying out today. I'll let you guys know how it goes.
And her mom's here.
Her mom's here. We're doing our nails together.
Pretzel
right? Well. Hi guys, it's the the next morning and I'm gonna be ending off the video right here. My family's packing up and we're about to leave Seabrook, but I just wanted to show you my finished nails. I think they turned out pretty good. It's the first time I've done gel nails in a while and it was really fun doing the little like magnet part. I'm about to pack up and drive back, and that was our little trip to Seabrook. I'm so glad that I could film it and that you guys could join us here. Thank you guys so much for being here, and if you want to see more, I guess this was kind of a travel vlog, but these cozy vlogs or this type of video, let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.